Hello to everyone. The vertices of a regular pentagon lie on a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Calculate the perimeter and the area of the pentagon. Stop the video now, try to solve it in your notebook, and then we are going to see together a method of solving this. Are you ready? We have a regular pentagon. That means all these sides are equal. All these angles are equal. Let's write here x. So we can say that 5 times x is 360 degrees because that's the sum of the angles around the point. Find x, which is 360 divided by 5, so 72 degrees. These angles are equal. Why is that? Because the radius of these two sides are equal, and this is an isosceles triangle, and the angles at the base are equal. Let's denote them with A, and we can say that A plus A, 2A is 180 degrees minus X. That means A is 180 degrees minus 72 degrees over 2, so 108 degrees divided by 2, 54 degrees. We can find, so we know the radius, this is 5, 5 for all of them. In order to compute the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. And let's denote the sides with y. And in this triangle, we can use the sine rule, and we can compute y over sine of x is the same thing as this side 5 over sine of this angle, which is A. And from here we can find y, which is 5 times sine of x, so 5 times sine of 72 degrees over sine of A, which is 54 degrees. And if we compute this, we will get 5.86 centimeters. Now we can compute the perimeter. The perimeter is, we have in a pentagon, we have 5 sides. So 5 times y, and we'll get 29.3 centimeters, which is approximated to 29 centimeters. This is to the nearest centimeter. And what about the area of the pentagon? Practically we have 5 times the area of a triangle. If we take that triangle aside, this is 5, this is 5, this is the height of the triangle. Because it's an isosceles triangle, it will divide the base into 2 halves, so y over 2 and here y over 2. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem in a right angle, which says that the hypotenuse squared is this side squared plus this side squared. And from here, if we replace the values, we'll get that h squared is 100 minus 5.86 square over 4, so 16.42. So the height is square root of 16.42, which is 4.05 centimeters. And how do you compute the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle is the height times the base over 2. Base is y in this case. So 4.04 times 5.86 centimeters over 2, it's 11.87 centimeters square. and we have to compute the area of the pentagon. That means the total area is 5 times the area of one triangle, which is 5 times 11.87, and that's 59.36 centimeters square, or if we approximate it to the nearest centimeter square, we'll get that the area is 59 centimeters square. So these are our two answers, the area and the parameter. Have a lovely day.